Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take L-Lysine. L-Lysine is an essential amino acid, meaning your body cannot produce it on its own. It plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including protein synthesis and calcium absorption. Understanding its importance is the first step to incorporating it into your routine effectively. We'll cover the best ways to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. For adults, typical daily doses of L-Lysine range from 500 milligrams to 3 grams, depending on your needs. It's widely available in various forms, including convenient capsules, tablets, and even powder that can be mixed into drinks. Always remember that individual needs vary, so consulting a healthcare professional for personalized advice on dosage is highly recommended to ensure it's right for you. For optimal absorption, it's generally recommended to take L-Lysine on an empty stomach, ideally between meals or before bedtime. Many people find it beneficial to combine L-Lysine with vitamin C, as this can enhance its overall benefits, including immune support and collagen formation. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day when you are supplementing with L-Lysine to support your body's processes. These simple practices can help maximize its effectiveness. Beyond its foundational roles, L-Lysine is often used to help manage cold sores, and it also supports overall immune function. It's vital for collagen formation, which contributes to healthy skin and connective tissues. Speaking of keeping things healthy and organized, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals to help you stay on track with your wellness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.